I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker and some top ramen. Let's see if we could cook ramen in this Dash egg bite maker.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So I've tried cooking ramen in my Dash mini griddle and I was really happy with the results. And I thought it would actually be better to cook it in this Dash egg bite maker because of the square shape and also because of the deeper sides. So this comes with 4 little egg cups that fit inside here, and then you're supposed to pour water in the bottom and it will make your sous vide egg bites. And that's why it has the higher sides. But I'm thinking it could work really well for ramen also. So the light is still on, but that's fine. This is what I have left of the ramen that was in this package. So I used half of it when I made the video with the Dash mini griddle. And I'm using the other half now, and look how perfectly it fits in here. So I'm gonna pour some water onto it. That was about a 1/4 cup of water, maybe a little bit more. So I'm gonna close this and then I'm gonna check on it in 4 minutes. So we're almost at 4 minutes and I'm just starting to hear the water coming to a boil. And I'm just starting to see some steam coming out of it. So let's open it up and see what's going on inside. Whoa, be really careful because the steam is hot. That's what it looks like. It looks like the noodles have started to expand. So that's a good thing. The water's not boiling over. So let's shut this and let's cook it for another 4 minutes. So it's been another 2 minutes and I'm kind of curious to see what's going on. So let's open this up. I'm gonna put my arm back here. It's looking good. There's still a little bit of water, so let's shut that and cook it for the full 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 4 minutes, so let's open this. And that's what's going on inside. It feels like the noodles are a little crunchy in places. Like, can you see how over here they look more cooked and then like over here they kind of look raw? There's really not much water left. Oh look, the noodles on the bottom look really good. Maybe I just need to stir this around and mix it up a little bit. Yeah, the noodles on the bottom are definitely more cooked than the noodles on the top. So let's just stir this around. I'm actually going to add some more water, like where the noodles need to cook more. So right now it was like 8 minutes in total, but I started before it came up to full temperature. So let me try to push the crunchier bits down into the water. And then let's shut this and do like another 4 minutes. While that's continuing to cook, let me show you what I have here. So I have a small mason jar, and in here I have 2 flavor packets from healthier ramen soups. So this is like Trader Joe's chicken ramen, and I never use a full packet when I make the ramen because it's just too salty and I'm not a fan of the ingredients in these packets. And then I have this other one. This was Ramen Express. So what I do is I use a little bit of it and then I save them in this jar. So if I want to make ramen again with another ramen that might have a seasoning packet with ingredients I'm trying to avoid or that I know I'm not a fan of, I can then use one of these instead or part of these instead. And that's probably what I'm going to do today. I'll probably just use a little bit more of the Trader Joe's ramen seasoning. It's been another 4 minutes, so 12 total. And look what's going on here. This looks really good. Surprisingly, all of the water looks like it's been absorbed, or the vast majority of it. And the noodles look soft. So I think it's done. I'm gonna unplug it. Actually, what I should do is try to cut up the noodles a little bit because it was hard to eat the other ones. Let's see if I can lift them into a bowl. These look good. I put just a little bit of the seasoning packet in there. I'm gonna grab a fork and just mix that in. These noodles look very, very soft. They might have been overcooked actually. But for a first time trying this, I'm happy they cooked. I mean, that's great. I'll give these a try. Super, super soft noodles. If I was to make this again, I would try to stir them up more frequently so that, you know, the ones on the bottom don't cook way longer than the ones on the top do. But they're good and they cooked. And that's the whole point of this video. Why would I want to cook ramen noodles in a Dash egg bite maker? Because if all I have is a Dash egg bite maker, maybe I'm traveling, maybe I'm in my office, maybe I'm in a dorm or an RV or a van, and maybe that's all I have to cook with. At least now I know that I can make ramen noodles in a Dash egg bite maker. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.